Hi viewers, myself Renuka, SSG Computer Education Institute Raichur. Welcome to online classes. Please subscribe my video and click to bell icon, and if you like, please share it. If you have any doubts, means comment in box. Now let's start Tally. Last class I told about the ledgers. Now vouchers. First of all, what is voucher? How to enter the vouchers and how many types of vouchers are there? First, what is voucher? A voucher is a basic recording document. Day-to-day transactions is entered in Tally through vouchers. It is a key to all business information. Entering the transactions through voucher is called creating a voucher or voucher entry. How to enter the vouchers? In Gateway of Tally, voucher entry, the default voucher entry screen that is displayed the very first time, it opens the payment voucher. You need not get out of this screen for the other vouchers. Simply switch the voucher using the button bar or functional keys. The screens for entering accounting vouchers are very similar. Voucher types. Tally is pre-programmed with a variety of accounting vouchers, each designed to perform a different job. By using the functional keys, you can choose the voucher types. That is, voucher types and functional keys. Functional keys means shortcut keys. First, contra voucher F4, payment voucher F5, receipt voucher F6, journal voucher F7, purchase voucher F9, sales voucher F8. First, let's see what is contra voucher and how to enter the voucher. Gateway of Tally, accounting vouchers. Select F4. Contra displays the contra voucher entry screen. Contra entry is a transaction indicating the transfer of funds from cash account to bank account to cash account, and bank account to bank account. Cash account to bank account means you can deposit the amount in the bank, and bank account to cash account means withdraw the cash from the bank. Bank account to bank account means you can transfer the funds from one bank to another bank. Cash or check deposited into the bank, cash withdrawn from the bank, and transfer of funds from one bank to another bank are entered in contra voucher. Here, debit and credit are cash account and bank account. In contra voucher, there is no rule to give the debit and credit. You can choose any one. So from the following transactions, prepare the contra voucher entries. First, let's see one example. Rupees 2500 deposited into the Canara Bank. Next, rupees 1000 withdrawn from Canara Bank, and rupees 2000 Canara Bank check, and rupees 500 cash deposited to the Karnataka Bank. This is the question and this is the solution. First, you have to create a company. Under accounts only, press F11 and set accounts only. Then create the blank ledgers. These are the blank ledgers. First is Canara Bank, comes under bank account. Karnataka Bank comes under bank account. Here we are depositing the amount and withdrawing the amount from Canara Bank and transferring the funds from Canara Bank to Karnataka Bank. So these are the ledgers first we have to create. Next, pass the vouchers. First, select the contra voucher or press F4 functional key. It displays the contra voucher and enter the following. First, debit the Canara Bank and credit the cash. Debit the cash and credit the Canara Bank. You are depositing 2500 in Canara Bank and withdrawing the money from Canara Bank. The rules is when you are created debit the Canara Bank means here the cash will be debited when you are withdrawing the money. Next, this is transfer of funds. We are transferring the amount from Canara Bank to Karnataka Bank. So Karnataka Bank will be debited and Canara Bank will be credited. Now let's see one example. Now let's see the example. Here I have opened the Tally. Already I have created one company. let's select it. Sai and Company. After creating a company, you have to create the blank ledgers. Let's see the ledgers. So here I have created Canara Bank. Now let's start Tally by giving one example. Already have created a company by the name of Sai and Company, and in this you have to create the blank ledgers. Already have created Canara Bank comes under bank account. You have to go on enter. You should not give the money. Next, Karnataka Bank comes under bank account. Go on enter. Next, you have to enter the vouchers, that is in accounting vouchers. Select F4. By default it displays as payment voucher. You have to select by pressing F4, that is credit the Canara Bank. So already have done here one example. Just I will display it. Let's see in the day book. Here the rules I have taken that credit the cash means here debit the Canara Bank. It will display as automatically. So here I have entered 2500 means, so how much notes are there, denominations are there, so you have to give 1 and 500 is 1. So go on enter. After creating a blank ledgers, you have to open the contra voucher and enter the amount, that is 2500. So credit the cash means debit the Canara Bank. So here you have to enter the denominations, that is 2001 and 501. Let's go on enter. Next, and you are withdrawing the amount, that is 1000 means, so here debit the cash and credit the Canara Bank. The rules will be opposite. Go on enter. Debit the Canara Bank. And here you are depositing the 2500 to Karnataka Bank. So credit the check, that is 2000 Canara Bank, and again you have to press here, see it displays as credit and cash is 500, and total you are depositing to Karnataka Bank 2500. If you want to view the result means you have to press escape, here display and daybook, alt F1. In daybook you have to press enter and alt F1, it displays as the details. So how you have entered the amount. Okay, thank you for viewing.